Welcome! Today, I am going to share with you the 4 types of bananas harvested in the Philippines. Specifically, the saba bananas, known as Cardaba bananas. There are 4 main types of bananas grown widely in the Philippines. These are Lakatan, Latundan, saba bananas, known as Cardaba bananas, Bungulan. The type of bananas is saba bananas, known as Cardaba banana, which is widely grown on the Visayan Islands, particularly in the province of Cebu, where I live. What is saba bananas? Saba bananas grow in giant bunches at the top of tall central on large banana palms, each hand containing 18 to 21 squarish and angular fruits. It is a triploid banana cultivar originating from the Philippines. Saba banana is a primarily cooking bananas, though it can also be eaten raw when it's ripe. Saba bananas become ready for harvesting when it reaches 6 to 7 months after flowering and often harvested while still green. They are available year-round. I hope you have found this video useful. And if you're interested to learn more about a very nutritious soup and test a way to cook a mung bean soup with sliced pork and vegetables, I am releasing a delicious recipe on Thursday. So, be sure to subscribe to prevent missing out. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day!